Hello everyone, welcome to the digital image processing application in geoscience and remote sensing presentation. My name is Akhil N. The paper I referred is an integrated skeleton extraction and pruning method for spatial recognition of maize seedlings in MGV and UAV remote images. These are the contents of my presentation. Problem statement. Method to obtain accurate phenotypic data of the seedling stage of maize for crop growth and for estimating crop yield. To obtain phenotypic data, in this paper they have developed an algorithm that uses computer vision to accurately recognize maize seedlings from a digital image provided by MGV and UAV. MGV means manned ground vehicle and UAV means unmanned aerial vehicle. The RGB image obtained from these vehicles are transformed into grayscale image to clarify the details of the images. OS2 threshold segmentation method, which is based on threshold optimization, is used to separate the maize seedlings from the soil background. Next, the external pressure method is used to segment the results of skeleton extraction. After removing the skeleton burr by using skeleton deburring method, this principal component analysis is used to determine the direction of principal axis of the maize seedling skeleton. The principal axis is then introduced as a reference to identify the direction angle of principal axis in binary images. This process allows us to obtain from RGB images the multiple plant parameters that characterize the maize seedling stage. Introduction. Motivation for this paper is that the aim of the maize cultivator will be to get a breed with high yield varieties of maize that are tolerant to all kind of stress like biotic stress and abiotic stress and are tolerant to disease, drought and salinity. So that this method will be helpful in knowing the crop growth and estimating crop yield. Why and how? Health of maize seedling depends on plant height, vegetation coverage, principal axis orientation and emergence rate. Emergence rate, it is the density of plants within the field. It is important for maize because it relates directly to the final yield of the crop. The principal axis orientation, it is the seedling direction and is related to photosynthesis of plants, which can be used to analyze the utilization of sunlight. In this paper, they have mainly focused on these two topics. Currently, emergence rate and principal axis orientation are commonly determined by manual counting. But this method is labor intensive and inaccurate. To overcome this drawback, image-based automated phenotypic trait estimation is used which gives more accurate information at a large scale for better crop production. Literature survey. In first paper, they estimated vine biomass by counting number of green pixels in an image. In second paper, they used Harris corner detection to count the number of objects in RGB images. In third paper, they introduced a cluster validity index to improve an image acquisition system. In fourth paper, they combined texture and color information from images to count wheat plants in a field. Fifth paper is one of the recent paper in which they proposed a novelty digital counting method using a decorrelation stretch contrast enhancement. But none of these methods have been tested in multidimensional dataset and could not implement adaptive segmentation. Methodology. This diagram shows the overall view of the methodology. From figure, OPSU segmentation, EPM SDST, Harris corner extraction, PCA method are some of the main things to be known for methodology. That is, OPSU segmentation, used in separating foreground from background. EPM SDST is used in extracting skeleton from results of segmentation and pruning the obtained skeleton. Harris corner extraction. Harris corner number of the skeleton or the number of mazes. PCA is used to extract the principal axis of the skeleton and to measure the included angle with SolidWorks. Steady area and image processing are the two steps under pre-processing. Steady area. For steady area, a field was planted with maize plants. MGV image acquisition system and UAV image acquisition system. These are the land moving and aerial moving vehicles used to capture RGB images and to save it. Image pre-processing, image rectification and mosaic. The MGV images were first rectified by Photoshop to eliminate the slanting shooting. Image selection. In this process, some images that are suitable are selected from the set of MGV and UAV images. Transform of RGB images to gray images. All the threshold segmentation are based on gray histogram. So the RGB images are transformed into a grayscale image. This can be implemented using image segmenter in MATLAB. Ground truth based on manual operation. This step will be optional since it is comparison between manual operation and using image processing. After pre-processing, image processing techniques are used. They were used OPSU method based threshold optimization theory to obtain the segmented image. Then skeleton is computed for the segmented image. SDST will be used to remove skeleton burr. Then principal component analysis is applied to determine the principal axis. Then angle between the principal axis and planting ridge as the principal axis orientation is computed. Then the number of Harris corner in skeleton are computed to determine the number of Mises seedlings in the image by using the relationship between the Harris corner and the number of seedlings. This number of Mises seedlings in the image is helpful in identifying the principal axis of each plant and determine the orientation of the main axis. Result. The intention of this paper is to use an RGB image to accurately count maize seedlings and determine the orientation of their principal axis in the field. This is done by developing segmentation method to split images into individual plants and extract their skeletons. These are the results of seedling recognition and principal axis extraction using MGV and UAV. In figure, the first row is the original RGB image, second row are results of RGB to grayscale, third row are results of image segmentation, fourth row are results of skeleton extraction, and fifth row are results of Harris corner detection. And in columns, first column is high seedling shortage rate with no addition, second column is low seedling shortage rate with no addition, third column is free seedling shortage with no addition, fourth column is low addition rate, and fifth column is high addition rate. Conclusion. These are some of the takeaway points from this paper. It proposes a method for optimizing threshold selection based on the OPSU method. It proposes an improved skeleton extraction method called EPM. It applies SDST. It compares image processing results from images acquired from MGV with those acquired from UAV to verify that the proposed method properly processed the data obtained from different dimensions. Solution proposed. It is the model proposed by me containing steps like data acquisition followed by data preparation, then PlantU net segmentation network, which improves the segmentation accuracy of images taken under a complex environment, model structure, network training, and extraction of phenotypic parameters. Thank you.